Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video I will take you through a very important feature from Facebook, how to delete a Facebook page. So let's start. Click on drop down menu from top right corner, select your page and then click on settings. From here, general tab, you will get that option, so scroll down and get the remove page option. Once you click here, you will get the permanently delete link your page. So once you click here, system will notify you that you will never return that Facebook page once you delete it. So if you confirm, click on delete. That's all, it's deleted. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified immediately when I release any new videos. Have a fantastic day and I will see you in the next video.